Okay, to my subscribers, by the way, now welcome back. Let's quickly do a quick analysis on our currency pair for today. So the first one we have here is our dollar index. By the way, as we predicted about yesterday that we will be waiting for our price to actually touch this our liquidity area here before we actually see that push up, and which our price has actually given us that push up. As we can see, our price fell to this our area here, and we actually saw the push up, which it has given us the move we wanted. So let us also wait for our price to get to this our level here before we actually take our shorting position. So it will be wrong for us to actually take our buy or our sell now, because we just don't know where our price can equally reverse at this our area here. Our price can equally reverse at this our area here, whereby push it down straight, so we might lose out a lot. So we would actually wait for our price to actually get to this our area here before we actually take our shorting position. And if possible, our price reverse to this our area here, then it will be better we actually wait for our price to get to this our lowest area here before we actually take our buy position. At least that will save us a lot. That's on our USD index. So our price can either be going massively bullish today, or it can actually push down, which by giving us a bearish move. So our first currency pair we have here as is our Euro USD. As you can see, our prediction is that our Euro USD can either reverse at this our area here, or push down and reverse at this our area here. So our price has equally reversed to this our area, so we are actually waiting for push up. I want you to also know that our price can actually still push down, thereby taking our liquidity low. So our price can equally push down to this our area here as we have it here. So we can have that liquidity area whereby we will be having that bullish move. So I want you to be very, very careful and be very watchful. So let's see if we will be having that bullish movement on our 1 hour time frame. As you can see on our 1 hour time frame, we are not having that movement, so our price is actually still bearish, by the way. So it will be very, very wrong for you to start taking your buy position upward. It will be very, very wrong. You might miss out a lot. So let's see if our price will actually push down to that our liquidity low before we actually take a buy position. So equally, we will be looking for a sell move on our Euro USD, on our pound USD. As you can see, our pound is actually bearish, by the way, if you look at it on the long term. So on our 1 hour time frame, we can see it as a ranging move. Let's sit on our long time. As you can see that our price has actually go pushes up, so we will be looking for our price to actually push down to this our area on our daily time frame, right? But before that, let's see if our price will actually push up a little bit, giving us a little bit of retracement. Then we will now see that fall, as it will be impossible for us to just see that push down. We would be seeing a little bit of retracement. So that is why we will be going on our 1 hour time frame, and we can see our 1 hour time frame, our price is actually equally range at this area. Let's see if our pound will actually pushes up to this our area here, as we are seeing that we will have a little bit of retracement, and before you actually see that push down, breaking our lowest our lowest support here, and continue pushing down. That is exactly what we'll be looking for on our pound USD. So we should be looking for a little bit of bullish move, then a fall. And if possible, we continue seeing that fall, then there's no problem. We should see that fall to this our area here, then we can equally not take our buy to this our area here, to this place area here, which serves as multiple supports, thereby it will be giving us a resistance, which is actually what we will be looking for on our pound USD for today. On our USDJPY, we will be looking at this area here. As we can see on our pound index, that we are looking for a bullish move on our pound index. So let's see if we actually be able to get it on our pound JPY, whereby our price will actually get to this our area here, then we would actually see that reversal to this down area here. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. And if when we get this reversal down there, then we can actually see a push up, then continue push up, or a retracement. So that is what we are looking for today on our pound and USD card. We are looking for our price to push up, giving us a resistance, then actually falling down. on our USD card, like we predicted here yesterday, that we will be waiting for our price to come down to touch this my area that I've marked here before you actually take our buy position. Now our price has already given us that bearish move, and it has already also given us that bullish move on our 1 hour time frame. So we should continue going bullish, as we can see on our USD index that we would want to be looking for a bullish move. So that is why we will be seeing on our USD card, we should be seeing that bullish move whereby our price will get to this our area here where our price is actually ranging, touching our resistance level before you actually see that drop down to our support level on our USD card. On our AUDUSD, as you can see, our odd is actually going bullish and it is now actually falling down, thereby I think giving us something called a retracement. I think that our price will actually continue going up. So let's see if our price will actually push up, giving us a double top before you actually see that push down. And if possible, our price will actually continue pushing down to this our area here on our 4 hour time frame, as you can see, push down to this our area here before you actually see that both. The reason why I said so is because our US index is actually bullish, so any pair relating to it should actually be giving us that bearish move. So that is why I said our odd USD, we should actually be seeing a bullish move, giving us a double top. If it does not give us a double top, it pushes down, then we should be seeing pushing down to our we should see a push down to our support level before we actually see that our reversal move on our New Zealand USD. Same thing, like I said, we should be seeing a breakout here to our price get to this our area here that I've just marked up before we actually see the rejection. And our New Zealand actually gave us that move, but it fails to touch that our price we are aiming for. So please, if some of us would have gotten out with a break even. So by the way, so let's see our movement for today, thereby going on our 4 hour time frame. Let's do. Let's see on our 4 hour time frame is not showing red. Let's see if our price will actually pushes up to this our area here, then before we actually see that drop on our New Zealand USD. That's exactly what we are looking for, and there's every possibility to actually see that drop. The reason why I say so is that our US index is actually bullish, so any pair related to it likely giving us a bearish move. But before that, let's see if our New Zealand will actually push up a little bit on our support resistance level, and then you actually see that fall. I doubt if our New Zealand will actually continue going that bullish to touch down our key area we've all talked about recently. I doubt it. So let's see if it will have that reversal move on our resistance or for our New Zealand USD. Now on our USD Swiss franc, our USD index is actually equally bullish, massively bullish. So we should be seeing it on our USD Swiss franc. So let's see if our movements, I think we'll be aiming for two movements. First movement to this our area here, our liquidity, first liquidity area here. Second movement, we should be targeting this our area here. So let's be able to see if we can grab our first bullish move to this our area here, and if possibly our price breaks above here, then definitely we should be aiming high up here before you actually see that fall. So that is it for our analysis for today.